Hey guys, it's Trouble Gav here. Today I'm going to show you guys all the jobs located in Life Sentence on Roblox. So the very first job, it's outside the cell block into the janitor closet. Here you will see a little button that says inspect job, and basically you get a mop and you go around and you look for stuff like this. And you just hold down the button. It could be left mouse button, click, anything. And there will be little arrows to show you how to do it. And it will be cash earned. And once you are done with your job, let's say you don't want to do anymore, you just press inspect and end job, and you will get the money rewarded. So our next job is located right next to recreation room coming from cell block. It's in this storage room. So you come over here, there's a table, and it's a very straightforward job, very simple. Just grab a box and you take it to the library. See right here. And you just follow this route, and yeah. See here. And there's no other locations to drop this off, only library. It's very simple. And people could be jerks to you and kill you, but it's not a big deal. Alright. Very simple. We earned $90 on that very simple job. So now on to the next job. So for our next job, it's right here in the laundry room. It's located by the medical hall and the main hall. So you come in here, table, start job. So this job is very simple. You look for the washing machines with the green lights, not the red ones. Just press E to open and hold E to grab. You just keep doing that, and you will get money every time. You see here, and after you're done collect your money, just press end job. You can see right here. So on to the next job. So for our next job, it's the coal mine. It's located by the laundry hall and holding cells. You come in here, table right here. You get a pickaxe, and you just mine these. Yep. You get $8 per stone wall mined. And once you are done, you just come here, end job, and you will get your money. So alright guys, on to the next job. For our next job, it's right here in the workshop. It's located by the cafeteria and the sewage hall and the library. So you come in here, straight ahead, start job, and there's these two smash things. They both work. Both do the same thing. And you just hold R. You can easily put an auto click on this overnight, and you can get money. See here. I earn $5 per time. So good thing about this job that you do not have to move anywhere. Just hold the button. See here. And after you're done, come here, collect your money. Straight here. Alright, on to the next job. So for our final job here, it's right here in the kitchen, right next to the cafeteria. So this job is very simple. Just grab a steak and place it on the stove. And you can place up to 4 steaks at once. And once you're run out of steaks, you could go to the fridge to refill. And it will automatically refill your steaks. And every time it's finished cooking, which cooks automatically, you will earn $10. Let's see here, come on. See? $10. And once you are done with the job, So yeah, guys, that's every job in life sentence on Roblox. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below which video topic I should do next about this game. Alright guys, till then, peace out.